Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to find ads you've seen on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device or go to YouTube website. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen or at the lower right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the History and Privacy option. Or tap on Manage All History. This will take you to a page where you can see all your activity on YouTube. Here, you can filter your activity. Look for the section labeled as Ads. Tap on it and you'll see a list of ads you've encountered while watching videos. And that's it! You've successfully found ads you've seen on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.